Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for getting updates for our new videos. Hi guys. Welcome to our channel. Hope you are good. In this video we will tell you about 2 best home remedies for acne treatment. So watch the whole video. Let's get started. Getting rid of acne naturally is possible. So you must try these 2 home remedies for acne treatment. So here we go with the first remedy. You only need the one thing, which is easily available everywhere, that is the banana peel. The method of applying is that you have to peel a banana and eat it, because it's not good to waste. They are good for health. Take a peel and rub it in a circular motion all over the face. When you feel that you have covered all your face, then leave it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, rinse it well. Bananas are full of all sort of goods, even the part which we waste. Their peels contain lutein. Lutein is an extremely powerful antioxidant that reduces swelling and inflammation, and encourages healthy cell growth. So rubbing a banana peel on the face can reduce redness, obviousness, and discomfort of acne. Here we go with the second remedy. For this remedy, you need the things below. Number 1. A pot of boiling water. Number 2. Towel, and the last one is a large bowl. The method of applying is that boil a pot of water, let it cool for a few minutes, and pour it into a large bowl. After its temperature lowered slightly, place your face above the bowl, and drape the towel over your head to trap the steam. Then after 10 to 15 minutes, remove the towel and pat the face to dry. Do this phenomena once a day, or as you need it. You will be surprised after watching this, that how it works. Steam can help soothe a number of minor maladies, acne being one of them. It helps reduce acne and its glaring appearance, by opening up the pores and flushing out impurities lurking deep within your skin. You can choose to only steam, or you can use something afterwards. If you use it with something else, you've cleared a sort of path for whatever you're using to really do its job. Acknowledge us with your precious those in the comment box. That will really help us, because our aim is to make you happy and satisfy. Thanks for watching.